Welcome to this tutorial where we will create a Venn diagram about career paths using Software Ideas Modeler. Let's start by switching to the Project tab in the ribbon. Click on the first button, Add New Diagram. In the dialog that appears, select the Venn Diagrams category from the menu on the left. From the right menu, choose the Venn diagram to create a classical Venn diagram with 3 circles. We'll name our diagram Career Paths, and then click OK to create it. Now we have our default Venn diagram. If you want, you can adjust the position of the circles by clicking and dragging them. Let's start adding our text. Double-click on the label inside the red circle and change it to Passion. For the green circle, we'll enter Market Demand. And the yellow circle will represent Talent. Now, let's enter the combinations between each 2 circles. In the overlap between passion and talent, we'll type skilled and motivated. After typing the label, we can rotate it for a better alignment between the circles. In the area between talent and market demand, enter profitable skill set. We'll also rotate this label slightly to fit well between the 2 circles. In the overlap between passion and market demand, we'll write passion driven with potential. And finally, in the intersection of all 3 circles, we'll enter fulfilling, successful career. We can increase the font size of the main text in each circle to improve its appearance. Select all the circles by holding Ctrl and clicking them. Then go to the Format tab and click the Increase Font Size button a few times until you're happy with the size. If you prefer a more stylized look, you can add gradients. Select all the circles, and from the Style sidebar, choose Radial Gradient from the Type drop-down. We can also add extra explanations for each circle. Select the red circle and click Add Comment. For passion, let's add the comment, What you love. For market demand, we'll add the comment, What people need. And for talent, we'll add the comment, What you're good at. To maintain visual consistency, we can adjust the style of the comments and their connectors. Simply right-click and drag each circle over its associated comment box, then select Copy Style here from the context menu. Repeat this for each circle and its connector. And that's it. Our Career Paths Venn diagram is complete. We've added all the elements and styled them for a clean, professional look. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Software Ideas Modeler tutorials.